This is the latest sign that we made, welcome sign for somebody. If you have a real good hand and you're good with art, can draw out letters, man, more power to you. I'm not that gifted. What I use to make this is a Pantograph apparatus. Kind of a simple thing. Put a router in here and trace around the letters. If you've never seen anything like this, stick around. I'll show you how we can make one of these. I decided to dedicate a board to the Pantograph. Once you get it set up and all your pieces lined out, it works pretty good. This is several years now that I've used this thing. The piece that we're going to be routing into is a 6-inch board, 6 inches wide, tongue and groove. I like the way it looks when you get finished with everything here. A lot of different fonts that you can use. This came with a couple of different ones with the machine itself, but you can print off any font that you like from your own computer. The shape of the bit in the router makes a difference. I like a small flat bottom bit. It just seems to work the best for what I like. It may seem like a lot to change each letter out to do each one. It really isn't bad. It's kind of fun once you get going. I paint the lettering black, that way it kind of goes well, complements the stain pattern that I'm going to put on this. For the top and bottom parts of the sign, I take a piece of car siding and rip it down the middle. I still have the beveled edges of the siding, which kind of complements the sign when I get it together. All my pieces are cut to size. After I do a dry fit, make sure everything is going to look okay. Then it's time to head to the sander, and then we'll put some stain on it. It doesn't take a lot of sanding. Mostly what I'm doing is knocking off the high or the rough edges left over from the router bit when you change directions to go around a curve or something on the letter. It kind of leaves little pieces you need to get off. All of the rough edges are sanded down. I think everything's ready to go. So I'm putting golden oak on the centerpiece. To complement the black and the lettering, I'm using a ebony stain on the top and the bottom. It's been a day. All of the stain is dry. I'm ready to glue everything together. I'll take a clamp and make sure the tongue and groove gets together pretty good. And then I have some braces that I put on the back to kind of hold everything together. It also gives me something that I hook a wire to hang it with, and it kind of adds to the overall look of the sign. The next step is it's time to put a finish on it. Polyurethane works good. Any type of color finish that you like, whatever your tastes are. I kind of like to use epoxy on these signs. It gives them a depth, kind of makes them look nice. Epoxy takes a day to set up, so each coat that you put on is going to take an extra day. I try to put 2 coats on these signs. I really like the depth that it gives them. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, please take the time and hit that button. We really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.